You are welcome to online lectures with Fraternity the School Board. Today we are going to take a look at chemistry, and we have a question on the board. The question says, the ratio of the initial to the final pressure of a gas is 1:1.5. Calculate the final volume of the gas if the initial volume was 300 cm3 at the same temperature. Option A, 120 cm3, B, 200 cm3, C, 450 cm3, D, 750 cm3. The question source is JAMB Chemistry 2000, question 6. Solution. Let's take a look at the question again. The ratio of the initial to the final pressure of a gas is 1:1.5. This question has to do with gas law. Now, to determine the law we are talking about, we need to look at the one that is constant and the parameters that vary. If you look at this question, temperature is constant. Temperature is constant, even though they didn't mention the temperature, but it's constant. And the law that has to do with temperature being constant while pressure and volume vary is Boyle's law. Is Boyle's law, because at constant temperature, volume, the pressure of a gas is inversely proportional to the volume. That is Boyle's law. So if that is the case, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. That's the equation of Boyle's law. So we use this to find the final volume. We have the initial pressure. They say that the ratio of the initial to final pressure. So ratio of P1 is to P2 is equal to what? 1:1.5. P1 is to P2 is equal to 1:1.5. That implies that P1 over P2 is equal to 1/1.5. That is the implication. Now we'll keep this aside. We are looking for what? The final volume. The final volume. Final volume here is V2. Making V2 the subject of the formula here, we have that V2 is equal to what? P1 V1 over what? P2. This is equivalent to saying P1 over P2 dot V1. Perfect. We have already gotten P1 over P2 to be 1/1.5. V2 is equal to, V1 is equal to 300 cm3. So fixing into this equation now that V2 is equal to P1 over P2, fixing 1/1.5 here, now we now have 1/1.5 dot V1, which is 300 cm3. 300 cm3. Remember that 1.5 is that as saying 1.5, which is 3/2, changing it from decimal fraction to common fraction. We now have 3/2 dot 300 cm3. By dividing fraction, this divided by this, for this to work out, these 3/2 must invert. So you now have what? 1.2/3 dot 300 cm3. For those that don't understand, this dot means multiplication. For those that don't understand it. So what do you now do now? We now divide this 300 by 3. We now have what? 100 cm3. So the V2 is what? 2 times 100 cm3, which is what? 200 cm3. So the final volume of this gas is what? 200 cm3. The final volume is what? 200 cm. As I say, dot here means multiplication. I use dot to shorten because of the space. Dot here means multiplication. So the answer to JAMB 2000 Chemistry, question 6 is B from the option B, 200 watt cm cube. That's the volume of the what? The final volume of the what? The gas in question. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any question, feel free to chat me up. My WhatsApp line is on the screen. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is From Eternity the Schoolboy. Follow me on Facebook. My Facebook name is also From Eternity the Schoolboy. They're on the screen. Follow me on TikTok for updates at From Eternity 83. Follow me on Twitter at From Eternity 83. On Instagram at From Eternity 83. Please like my videos, comment, share with your friends, your relative, your colleagues, your children, your students. Someone out there may be in need of these lectures. God bless you. See you next time.